This man is making a living in an unspeakable way. Even his wife thinks so.
Yes, it's risky thinking how you can make a living talking with dolls.
How he turned mumbling into a career.
So don't you just really admire people who are able to step way out of their comfort zone, say quit their 9-to-5 in pursuit of that big dream? Michael King tells us it turns into quite a comedy act.
He's performed all over the country. He's already a ventriloquism veteran. He got started when he was 15, thanks to a family friend. Dick Bergstrom, a ventriloquist for 40 years, changed Justin's life with an impromptu show at a New Year's party.
And figured, of course I can do that. It would be a piece of cake. I already know how to talk without moving my lips.
But his lack of mouth movement was not an early attempt at ventriloquism. Justin was actually a shy, mumbling teenager who got teased a little bit at school because when he talked, he never moved his mouth.
Dick didn't see it as a problem, but as potential.
It became an asset for him.
Do you have your harmonica?
I do.
Can you play it?
Yes.
So it sounds good?
What do you want?
I'd like to sing a song called Blowin' in the Wind. Why aren't you singing? You're not that good.
And another problem. He didn't want a cheap toy store dummy, but didn't have the cash for a wooden version. So...
You actually carved this.
I did.
And when you were how old? 15?
I was 15.
You started when you were 15?
Yep.
Would you cut that out? Let's stay my head. It's a good laugh, but it makes you look fake. No wonder I'm still single. Okay, I'm going to show you ladies who's really in control here. Okay, on the count of 3. Okay, 1, what are you going to do? 2, tell me what you're doing. 3. What happened? I got your voice.
I know you did.
If you want to find out where Justin, Luigi, and Tony are performing again, you can always go to king5.com and we'll let you know about it. Commercial break. Let's pay some bills. We'll be right back.